Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so Face ID can secure guided access. First, make sure Face ID is enrolled and working for device unlock. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility and enable Guided Access. Set a dedicated Guided Access passcode. Then open the Guided Access settings and turn on the Face ID option so your face can end sessions. These steps let the device match your biometric quickly. They prevent accidental exit. Open the app you want to lock and triple-click the side or home button to begin guided access. You'll see options. Draw to circle areas you want to disable, and toggle touch, motion, or keyboards depending on the use case. These control how the app behaves. If you need a session limit, choose time limit and set the minutes. Tap Start to activate. Doing this ensures only intended controls remain usable, and Face ID will be ready to authenticate when you end the session. To finish guided access, triple-click the side or home button and authenticate with Face ID. If Face ID doesn't recognize you, enter the guided access passcode. Once authenticated, you can edit options or tap End to close the session. If Face ID repeatedly fails, make sure Face ID is set up correctly, the camera is clear, and the device is at a normal viewing distance. As a last resort, restart the device. This troubleshooting tip prevents lockouts and restores predictable guided access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.